Why narcissists may sabotage others' success. We all know that one person who always seems to bring others down when they're trying to succeed. Maybe they make snide comments, or spread rumors, or deliberately undermine your efforts. But why do they do it? What drives someone to sabotage another's success? In this video, we'll explore the possible reasons why narcissists may engage in these harmful behaviors. Narcissism is a complex personality disorder that affects an estimated 1 out of every 100 people. Narcissists often have an inflated sense of self-importance, a deep need for admiration, and a lack of empathy for others. These traits can lead to a variety of negative behaviors, including sabotaging others' opportunities for success. One reason why narcissists may sabotage others' success is because they feel threatened by it. Seeing someone else achieve their goals can trigger feelings of inadequacy and jealousy in narcissists. Instead of facing their own insecurities, they may try to tear down the other person to make themselves feel better. Another reason is that narcissists crave attention and admiration. If someone else is getting the spotlight, they may feel like they're not getting enough attention themselves. By sabotaging others' success, narcissists can regain the attention they feel they deserve. Narcissists may also sabotage others as a way to exert control. By undermining someone else's efforts, they can maintain their own sense of power and superiority. It's a way of saying I'm in charge here, and you'll only succeed if I allow it. Finally, narcissists may engage in sabotage as a form of revenge. If they feel slighted or betrayed, they may seek to hurt the other person by sabotaging their efforts. It's a way of getting back at them for something they perceive as a wrongdoing. So what can you do if you're the target of a narcissist's sabotage? First, it's important to recognize the behavior for what it is. Sabotage is a form of manipulation, and it's designed to make you feel small and inadequate. Don't let it get to you. Instead, stay focused on your goals and don't let anyone derail you from your path to success. If possible, try to distance yourself from the narcissist. While this may not always be easy, especially if the narcissist is a colleague or family member, limiting your exposure to them can help reduce the impact of their behavior. Surround yourself with supportive people who lift you up and encourage you to be your best self. And finally, don't give in to the temptation to retaliate. Sabotage only leads to more negativity and hurt feelings. Instead, focus on your own success and let the narcissist's behavior speak for itself. Narcissists may try to sabotage your success, but you don't have to let them. Stay focused on your goals, surround yourself with supportive people, and don't let anyone bring you down. With hard work and determination, you can achieve anything you set your mind to.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with anyone who may need to hear this message.